Airbnb is one of the biggest and fastest growing hospitality websites in the world. End of the day, let's get everything with just the basics. So let's get listed on all the big websites with just the basic listing, and if it proves popular, then we can go and delve into it further. So let me go into the dashboard. So you create your account, and it's really easy to create an account. You just need a password, you need an email address, and then you can get started. So when you first log in, you go to your listing. Now the granary, for those who know by now, it is a 14-bedroom guest house, and it's got 3 holiday cottages. Now, what I recommend to get started, and be aware that I'm showing you the basics here, is just create a listing for 1 room. Really simple, really easy, 1 room. The things that really stand out for Airbnb, 2 things. Again, we're coming back to the images, so your photo is so important, and that first line of description. So they give you an example, they give you an advantage, over other listing sites. As you can see, the way I list the granary online is not your bog standard boring listing. I do like to make people smile and to take notice. That's just how I do my copy. End of the day, like with all of this, if a guest wants to make a booking, this will come through to me. It does not guarantee the booking, they're just inquiring. So play around with this. It's definitely worthwhile doing. Right, so that's availability, which is good. Again, it's all pretty much self-explanatory here.